What's up, everybody? It's your girl Deja, your favorite honey in a wheelchair, but only temporarily. And y'all know I'm back. Sorry, I didn't do that right. I'm back with another video.
Chicken heads. Chicken.
Y'all, I'ma stop. Before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. Let's do it.
I say we waited for a long time. I say we waited.
Okay, y'all. So today, by the title, you already know what we doing. I wanted to make sure that I came and gave you guys a tutorial on me doing my own hair. I braid my own hair a lot just to save myself money, because, you know, going to a beautician these days, you know, is a little expensive, and I want to save money whenever I can. So, you know, if I have it, then I'll go get my hair done. But on the regular, I usually braid my own hair. So today I will be filming a tutorial on Senegalese twist. I'm going to do the rope method for the first time on my own hair. I've never done the rope method on my own hair forever. If the rope method, however, does not go right, then I will do the braiding method to the twist. But we here today are achieving the rope method. Put it in the universe. Yes, Lord, take it, smash it, like it. Yep, that's what's happening. Anyway, I will probably be doing a voiceover for this video and this tutorial, only because, y'all, I cannot do and spend hours doing my hair without listening to my jammy jams or my ratchet girl music. So I will do a voiceover and show y'all what's happening, and more than likely I'll probably get on camera when I get to the front of my hair. That way you guys can see clear as day what I'm doing, because I can't do all the turnaround stuff and try to film for you guys to show you the back of my head. Okay guys, I know that cut off randomly, but I did want to eliminate a lot of unnecessary footage and get straight to the point, you guys. I did not want to waste any time here. So yes, this video is sped up, but do not worry, because I will be showing you how to do this slowly. I just wanted to tell you guys that I did not insert what I use for this process in the video, so everything that I use to do this style will be in the description box below. If you are a beginner, I would advise you to part your hair in the way that I did to help me get parts as close as perfect as I possibly could. In the front, I did part my hair right down the middle and created 2 ponytails. So there were 3 ponytails in the back and 2 in the front, totaling up to 5 ponytails to help me with my parting. Alright, homegirls, so here we are. I have a small section that I've taken at the top, and right now I'm just trying to create a square part. Of course, I always struggle creating straight parts on my own head. I already noticed a couple of sections that I'm probably going to do over. However, make sure you take your time, do the best that you can. There's always going to be frustrations of when you're doing your hair, especially if you're new to a style. So always remember that it's a process to get it as perfect as you need to. And doing more of these styles will help you eventually get your parting right. So here I am. I'm taking a little bit of that edge control I have, and I'm just slicking down that piece. I have shorter hair, so I like to also add a little edge control on the hairs that's next to that part, so that way those hairs don't escape into the section that I'm trying to work on. Here I have a bigger size edge brush, and I'm just trying to smooth that stuff in because I do not want it flaking up in my hair at all. This edge control does not tend to flake up though, but I also like to smooth it in just to give it a flatter look. So here you want to separate the hair into 2 sections after you get your parts. 2 nice even sections. I like to twist them around a little bit. As you can see, I did one little twist. And now I'm grabbing the false hair. This is Expressions hair in the color Deep Violet. This hair was 82 inches long and I cut it in half. So what you see me doing here is just teasing and feathering the bottom of the hair. You want to make sure that you feather the bottom of the hair because those ends are really blunt. And if they're blunt, they won't close properly when you're trying to braid or do twist. You guys, once you prepped that false hair, you want to give it a nice 2 twist before placing it on top of the 2 strands that you've separated. When you place it on top, you're going to grab that side that's in your right hand and you're going to twist it to the right, twist it outwards, or twist it away from your face. That's 3 different directions for people to get and understand. You want to twist it to the right, outward, or away from your face, whichever way gets you to understand better. And in your left hand, you want to twist it inward towards your face and to the right. Here, once I have those, I'm just steady twisting and twisting down. This is really key to getting this nice and tight. You want to twist as you bring the piece to your other hand. You want to twist and switch. Twist and switch. I'm going to slow it down here in a second. You want to twist one side, grab it, and switch. Twist and switch. The key to keeping these Senegalese twists tight is to keep your thumb and your fingers close up on the section. You don't want to move them down and cause a loose twist, otherwise it will unravel. If that was a little too fast for you, do not worry. I will be doing another braid for you guys. Okay guys, here we are again at a different section of my head. This time I'm going to do a twist right in the front so you guys can see even better. Of course, I twist away the section and clip it. I'm going to just repeat the same process. Here I always like to leave out my edges. I do not want those in the twist. It will be too tight and too much tension, and that is a way that your edges can start thinning out if you don't be careful with that. So again, using that edge control to really slick that section down. I like to put a little bit on those baby hairs to get them out of the way. Separate into 2 sections. Prep your false hair. So I know you guys may have been a little bit confused on the way that I possibly described the way that you twist. So if you have the hair in your right hand, remember to twist away from your face, to the right, or outward. Those are 3 different directions that I'm really hoping for a different audience to understand how that's working. And the piece of hair in your left hand would be inward, also to the right, and towards your face. I know it sounds crazy because both of them are to the right, but it makes sense when you're doing your hair. Sorry you guys, I dropped the comb so I was getting it. But yeah, so make sure you again feather your hair, tease it as good as you can, get those blunt ends out of there. I'm telling you, if those ends are blunt, you are going to have a really difficult time trying to close off your twist and or braids. So I'm grabbing my 2 sections. As you guys can see, I like to twirl them like I said. Twirl the false hair, sit it right on top. And then we're going to go with that method. In the right hand, I'm going to twist away from my face. In the left hand, I'm going to twist towards my face. If you guys twist tight enough, or however however tight or loose you want it, the hair will start twisting in the direction to start your twist. So the section in your right hand will come under, and the section in your the section in your left hand will come under, and the section in your right hand will go over to create that twist. And remember, you twist and switch hands. Twist and switch hands, keeping those fingers right at the brim of the twist. And you do this all the way down. And here we are. You guys, did pretty much take me about a total of 8 hours to complete. I did take breaks, and I also finished it the very next day. What you see me doing here is just sealing the bottom with piping hot water. I had hot water in a bowl, and I just pretty much took the sections and held them in there for a minute. And then I took a washcloth to dry off those ends so it wouldn't be dripping all down my back. So now I'm just going to lay the edges, of course. And then I'm applying mousse. You guys, this mousse smells so good. I'm probably, every time I do twist or braids, I'm definitely going to be using this mousse. This is Aussie, and of course, again, it's going to be down in the description box. I am really proud of how these came out for my first time on my own head. I have done these on other people's head, and of course it came out a lot neater, but for my first time on my own head, I think this is a huge accomplishment. So this is how it looked the night I got finished, and there will be a clip to show you guys the very next day in a different light. And boom, girl, you did that. You looking fierce. Okay, get it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped some of you hotties out there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love ya. See ya. Bye.
Waited for a long time, just like the DMV waited in them long lines. Cause everybody hungry, we can't waste no time. Got my back up in my stomach and my soul on the grind. Cause I already know this was my calling. You can't play me out. It coming from the soul.